Ace Data. Experts in data protection. Founded in 1996 by Neeraj Mediratta and Anuj Mediratta. Our services include data storage, archival, backup, disaster recovery solutions, and big data analytics, both on-premise and cloud-based. We cater to a wide range of industry verticals: healthcare and pharma, telecom, education, manufacturing, real estate, business professionals, media, energy. Whatever your business need, we have the solution. We have a team of young professionals led by our CEO Neeraj Mediratta, who has about 3 decades of experience in sales and marketing of data storage technologies.
We understand the value of data for your organization, as it is your knowledge capital, so we deploy the best of data protection strategies for you.
Anuj Mediratta, co-founder and director technical, heads the technical team. He is a software professional with specialization in storage, backup, disaster recovery, and data analytics.
My team works relentlessly to ensure the availability of data to you at all times, as it is the lifeline of your business.
A look at our portfolio. Parisabhya, Assessment Services, Abhraya, Cloud Backup Vault, Suprayukta Managed Services, Vaishlashik, Big Data Analytics, Asigra Solutions, EMC Partnership, Aptare and Zerto, Microsoft, Amazon Web Services, HP, IBM, NetApp, and many others. Here is a look at our brief history. Established as a computer hardware, software and peripherals vendor in New Delhi in 1996 as a home office with only a couple of support staff. By 2001, we had acquired specialized skills for implementation of backup for Sun Solaris and HP Unix with Oracle database environment. This was when we started to focus on data protection and storage portfolio. In 2004, we became one of the first companies in the world to have EMC certified engineers for implementation and support services. Acquiring skill sets in virtualization products, we added a new practice to our portfolio in 2007. 2012 saw us selling branded services with the launch of Abhraya Cloud Backup Vault and setting up of our own co-hosted data center. We set up an office in Mumbai in 2013 to look after Western markets. Also launched Parisabhya Assessment Services and Suprayukta Managed Services. Recently, we have partnered with Microsoft, Amazon Web Services, Zerto, and Aptare, and added their solutions and services to our portfolio. Events and exhibitions in the recent past. For the health and well-being of CIO community, we've been organizing various events like the Stress Relief Pilates class by Vesna Jacob at Hyatt Regency, Delhi, CIO Forum in Phuket, Thailand, Gartner Symposium IT Expo in Goa, India, and EMC's Forum, their flagship event in Las Vegas, USA. Here's a look at few of our customer success stories. We have consolidated Dabur's backup and storage infrastructure to centralized backup management through EMC Networker and have been providing 24/7 support to them for over a decade. Achieved the consolidation of backup for over 3,000 users spread across 30 locations nationwide for Hero MotoCorp. We handle complete management of storage infrastructure and backup strategy across applications like health information systems, mailing and BACS for Apollo hospitals. For Avaya Global, we manage high availability solution for telecom mission critical application on Sun Solaris and Linux Mix platform, along with 24/7 managed services. And we have done primary and disaster recovery implementation using EMC Recovery Point appliance for NIIT, providing them with 30 minutes of recovery time objective. In our journey, we've been bestowed with many accolades and awards for our efforts. Best Service Center for TVSC printers, Best NSS Performance, Tandberg Top Reseller, repeatedly awarded by EMC in categories like Most Trusted Partner, Excellent All-Rounder and PRS Master Blaster. Here are a few of the happy customers of Ace Data. Airtel, EXL Services, IFCO Tokyo Insurance, Indus Tower, Guavas, Bechtel, Fortis Hospital, Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute and Research Center. Contact any of our officers today or call us for more information. Ace Data.